To perform this work, you need to safely raise and support the front of the car. You cannot only raise one side. It will put tension on the sway bar and you won't be able to perform this work. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Shown here is one of the sway bar links, green arrow, that we're going to replace. The links have two ball joints, yellow arrows. One link mounts to the sway bar and the other mounts to the spindle. Use a 13mm wrench, green arrow, to loosen the mounting nut while you are counter-holding the ball joint shaft with a 16mm wrench, yellow arrow. Repeat this step at the upper end of the link. Loosen the 13mm mounting nut, green arrow, while counter-holding the ball joint shaft with a 16mm wrench, yellow arrow. There may be a washer on the upper link on the ball joint side used as a spacer. In our case, one side had it and the other didn't. Installation is the reverse of removal. To replace the bushing, follow the sway bar link until you locate the sway bar bushing bracket, yellow arrow. Remove the two 13mm nuts, green arrows. Remove the bushing bracket by pulling in the direction of the blue arrow. Pull the sway bar away from the subframe of the car. Twist the sway bar bushing, green arrows, 180 degrees to expose the split in the bushing. Separate the bushing by spreading it in the direction of the blue arrows and slide it off the sway bar. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.